Welcome to Las Delicias de la Cocina, aka the deliciousness of the kitchen. Today we'll be making tinga, known as Mexican Chicken Tinga. The ingredients we'll be using is salt, mayo, onions, 4 tomatoes, half cabbage, 2 cloves of garlic, 4 chilies of chipotle, 2 chicken breasts. First, we're going to rinse our chicken breast multiple times. We have finished rinsing our chicken breast. Now we are gonna cook it on high fire with 1/4 of onion and add 1 tablespoon of salt or to your taste. After this, we'll cover it and let it cook. We let this cook. We can now cut our cabbages as seen in the video. Once we are done cutting our cabbage, we are going to rinse it multiple times. We have finished rinsing our cabbage, so now let's go check on our chicken breast. As you can see, they are boiling, therefore they are ready. As you can see, our chicken are ready, so now we're gonna take them out and let them cool down. While we leave our chickens to the side to cool down, we're gonna put a pan at mid-fire. Then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil. now finished adding our oil. So now we are going to slowly add our cabbage. Mix it little by little so it could get well cooked. Finished adding our cabbage, so we have to make sure that it's well cooked, so we're gonna mix it. While we leave our cabbage to cook, we can now go shred our chicken. Check on our cabbage. As you can see, this is how it has to be at this point, so we can then add 1 tablespoon of salt or to your taste. We then mix well our cabbage. It is very important that we keep mixing so it gets well cooked. Let the cabbage rest. We are going to use 1 cup of the water that we cooked our chicken in. We are also going to use the 4 chipotles, 1/4 of onion, 4 tomatoes, and 2 cloves of garlic for our mixture that we are going to prepare in the blender. We're going to blend and pure. have added all the ingredients for our mixture in the blender. Now we are going to blend in pure. This is the texture we are looking for. We can then turn off our blender machine and go take our mixture to our cabbage. We then add our mixture into the cabbage. I am going to be adding 1 tablespoon of chicken flavor so it could give us more flavor. We can now start mixing all of these ingredients together. Finished mixing it, we have it at high temperature and have to wait until it boils, as you could see, so we could add our shredded chicken. So now we'll add our shredded chicken little by little to our mixture. As we add our chicken, it is very important that we mix it so it could get all the flavors. Now that we have mixed all our ingredients together, now we have to let it boil one more time and then turn it off and add our 2 tablespoons of mayo and mix it well. We now turn off our tinga so we could add our 2 tablespoons of mayo. Once we have added our 2 tablespoons, we're going to start mixing it well with our ingredients so it could get all the flavors in. As you could see, the mayo is well mixed. We have finished making our tinga. Now we could enjoy it. Give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Here's our Mexican chicken tinga. Hope you guys like it. Subscribe for more videos.